Hi guys, hi guys, the favorite girl, the excellent spirited teacher. Okay, so here is how to level up your PowerPoint presentation within 30 seconds. So I'm going to be sharing my screen. I'm actually using Zoom. I'm sharing my whole screen. And the application I'll be using to teach you guys the tutorial is PowerPoint. So this is my PowerPoint. Okay, of course, this is what I want to do. So I'm going to start all over again and I'll be showing you guys how I achieve this. Okay, so I'll click on file, then get a new blank presentation. Yeah, so I'll make this slide a blank slide because I actually need it for what I'm about to do. Okay, click on insets. I'll click on shapes and I'm going to get a rounded rectangle because that's actually what I need. And I'm going to be drawing it like this. Now, I'm going to round it off properly like this. So it's giving me what I want. And I turn it this way. I bring it to this side. Okay. Of course, it's not that slanted. So I'm slanting it more so it can fit into what I want. Then I'm going to be duplicating this rounded rectangle just by pressing Ctrl D. I just did that and it has given me another one. Okay. So having done this, the third thing I'll be doing now is to use a rectangle, is to draw a rectangle across. Let me use this rectangle. This particular rectangle is better. I'm going to draw it across the two rounded rectangles, and we have this. Okay, so just for you to see what I did, is that this is it. So I'm going to cover this properly. Yeah. Now I'm going to select the three objects, all the objects I have. I'm going to select all of them, and I click here. I click on subtract. Okay. So let me delete this. Mhm. So this one is not really giving me what I want. So I'm going to drag it down a little bit. And this one here, drag it up a little bit. Okay, fine. So it's giving me what I want. So go back again, take the rectangle, draw it across. Okay. And I'm going to select my rectangle, the first one. I click on subtract. I subtract the first one. Then go back again, click the second. Mind you, I'm holding down my control key. I click on subtract. I subtract the second one. Now it's looking like this. So I'm going to like make it look better by bringing all the edges together. Like I want it to be like on like a perfect rectangle. So I'm just going to do a little bit of this. If you want to do this, fine. If you don't want to, you can choose not to. Let me hide my floating control and stuff. So I click on this and my shape outline. I just want to be a little bit creative. So I'm just going to put this dash, 6 points, and click on the dash style. I'm going to be using this one just to be a little bit creative in my work. Now, having done this, the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'll be inserting a video. Now, I'll click on video, click on stop videos, then of course it's loading. Then I'm going to be choosing I'll be using um a particular video that corresponds to what I'm about to teach. Okay, so it's loading. Now it's done loading. So I'm going to type fish. Okay. So this is the video that came out. I'll choose this and click on insert. So it's coming out. As you can see, downloading video one of one. Okay, now it's done. Let me just play the video for you guys to see the video I downloaded. So can you see the fishes moving from left to right? Now I'm gonna send this video backward. I'm gonna send it backward. Okay, can you see? I've sent it backward, and you can see what's happening there. Okay. Now quickly, I'm gonna be changing the color of this my rectangle to color. Let's see. Let me use color orange. I think I like this one. So can you see? This is what we have. Okay, this is what we have. Okay, so let me just drop my text box and putting something, putting something there, putting something there like a text box. I'm gonna be drawing this text box across, and I'll be typing ecosystem in the text box. Okay, so let me enlarge my text, and I'll make all of them. I'll put them in capital letter, something like this. Then quickly, I'm going to put a short text down there. So I'm just going to create this ecosystem. Control D. So I'll be putting a short text below the ecosystem. Okay. So I'm just gonna go online. Let me go online and get something like okay. So anything on ecosystem is taking a lot of time. So I'm seeing something like this. I'm just going to copy this short text and paste it here. Paste it here. To be okay. Let me reduce my font size. I just did Control E, centralize it, boom, and this is what we have here. Okay. So this is how to level up your PowerPoint presentation. Okay. How to make it beautiful, as you can see. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. If you've learned a lot from if you learned something from this video, just give it a thumbs up or like my video, share my videos to your friends. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.